So, one of the biggest banes for students in online education is the discussion board and the stock assignment that every instructor seems to throw on the discussion board. Here's the topic. Write a 300 to 500 word response and make sure that you respond to two of your peers with at least 200 to 300 words each. We're living in a day and age where a lot of students just don't type. Written communication isn't necessarily going the way of the dinosaur, but for transfer of information, we are becoming a audio-visual society. So what I found is using a technology called Flipgrid. Flipgrid is an easy way to get those exchanges between students that you would get on a discussion board. And the nice thing is your students get to see and hear each other. So again, they get to realize that there are other human beings in the class with them. When you look at a wall of text, all you see is that wall of text. You might know that there's a human being behind it. You might know that a human being created it. But if you have access to Flipgrid, you can actually see the person. You can hear their voice. So they're talking to you about the topic. You're getting an exchange of ideas. And the nice thing is with Flipgrid, you can hit the button and you can record a response back to them. So we are living in the age of Snapchat. More and more of our students are growing up on this as a means of communicating with each other. So in other words, they're using Snapchat to send videos back and forth. Using Flipgrid is a way to get that exchange of information that you would get in a textual environment, but because you're using audiovisual, not only are you getting the exchange of information, but more importantly, your students are getting to connect with each other as people. They're getting to see the person, they're getting to hear the person, they're getting to acknowledge the fact that there are other human beings in that class with them, and not just walls of text on a discussion board.